Today I'm going to teach you how we make the Winter Latte here at the coffee shop. Hey everyone, welcome to ESPRE Coffee, welcome to CoffeeShop Vibes, and today I'm going to teach you how we make the Winter Latte, one of our most popular latte drinks here at the coffee house. First off, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, wherever you are. We hope you're having the best possible holiday season this year, and thank you for being a small part of our lives. Alright, the Winter Latte is one of the more popular drinks here at ESPRE in Kittanning, Pennsylvania, which is cool because, again, the first coffee shop in the 300-year history of Kittanning. This drink came about and gives you a little bit idea about how we think, right? My background is in technology, worked in Silicon Valley, so I'm always thinking we need to innovate, innovate, and innovate. And of course, we're always, we have a great rapport with some of the best coffee shops in the country. You know, our dream and our aspiration is to be amongst those. So we're always checking out what they do. Of course, we are talking back and forth with a lot of them. As you can see, we always review coffees from different coffee roasters. And you know, one of the popular flavors, or a flavor that we notice is becoming more popular, is orange, particularly in the winter, because it has like a nice lift you up, especially in these cold winter mornings or cold winter days that we have here in Western PA. You know, sunlight, you know, and for much of the day, cloudy, dreary, right? So you need something to pick up your spirits when it's 22 and cloudy outside, right? So that's how we came up with the Winter Latte, and I'll show you how we make it. Alright, the flavor of the drink, or the base flavoring of the drink, is orange. We use Torani orange. You can use any orange, as well as Torani gingerbread for this. You just saw me pull the shot of espresso. That, of course, goes into the drink as well. So you put the orange, the gingerbread, and the espresso in the drink, and then it's time to get the milk ready. We use whole milk as the regular if you don't ask for anything special, but we end up selling a lot of almond milk and oat milk and skim milk as well. So whatever you want milk-wise. Get this going. I wanted to tell you though, if you can hear me over the milk, right? I did, you know, since it's Christmas season, I feel like I'm obliged to tell you this piece of advice that all these business people have told me, whether it's been in Silicon Valley or wherever, and successful people, not just business people, people who have achieved some really good success in life. The biggest piece of advice I always get is spend more time with your family. They always say, wish I would have spent more time with my family and enjoy the moments you have with your children especially. So I thought I'd pass that along here since it's Christmas. Alright, so the flavors, the espresso is in, double shot of course. It's not a latte without a double shot in my opinion. And it's time to add the milk. See how well I can do this. Now look. Not very well. Alright. And finally, to make a winter latte, you add a little bit of, we garnish it, I would say, with cinnamon. So you got the cinnamon, orange, gingerbread. They work good. There you go. Maybe a little too much. Winter Latte, ESPRE Coffee House. Perfect, delicious. That little kick of orange warms up the day for you. If you haven't tried it, hopefully you stop down sometime to try it. This is a drink that virtually any coffee shop can make, so we hope they explore it and try it as well. Alright guys, again, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, best to you this new year as well. We'll see you soon on another edition of Coffee Shop Vibes.